Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about quitting Asana and moving on to another productivity tool, or maybe just cleaning up your digital life, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through the complete process of deactivating your Asana account in 2025. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important details, especially one critical warning about your data. First things first, open your web browser and head over to app.asana.com. Log in with your account details, either your email and password or your Google or Microsoft login if that's what you use. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of your Asana homepage. You'll see your profile icon, usually a picture or avatar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside your settings, navigate to the Account tab. Scroll down and you'll see an option that says Deactivate Account. Click on it, and Asana will show you a confirmation screen. To finish, just hit the Deactivate button, and that's it. Your account is closed. But before you rush to do this, here's something very important. Once your account is deactivated, all your tasks, projects, files, and any stored data will be permanently gone. So if you have anything you might want later, make sure to download or save it before hitting that final button. The good news is the whole process is really quick, just a few minutes, and it's designed to be super simple. Whether you're switching tools or just streamlining your accounts, you'll be done in no time. And that's the full guide on how to quit your Asana account in 2025. Hopefully this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.